Hi guys, this is my review and first look on the FETERA 3D printing filament. This is a PLA that they have sent me for free. No money has exchanged hands and all my opinions on this filament are my own. So what we'll do is do a look around the box first. So obviously we've got the main box there, and first thing you'll notice about this box is it's not your standard round box. It's gives all the information for the website. It says up here the diameter of the filament, what colour it is, and the type, and even a batch code that they can trace if there is an issue. Now what we'll do is have a look inside. Now got a leaflet thanking you for purchasing the FETERA brand, and if there's any information to contact sales@fetera.com, and also visit the website fetera.co.uk. It also gives guidelines on printing temperatures, and that's that. And this is the filament. Now it's a 250 gram spool, and this is a nice vibrant red that I've got. So what I'm going to be doing is doing some prints using this, and then I'll post pictures, hopefully maybe some time lapses at the end. If you like what you saw, please give it a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.